Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is going to be a little illusion. Hopefully it's going to work out. The only thing you need to think about my box was originally 15 by 15, and when I weld them together, they're 22 and a half. So they're divisible by a ½ inch. And I just made a video, but I'm going to call this one illusion. So I'd take a 2-point line, and then I angle it at 45 degrees. And then I open up the windows, Dockers, transformer, transformation, and I put 0 here, and I made 50 of them, and then just kept applying. So these are a ½ inch apart, which is our division. So if we take the parallel dimension tool and go from that node to that node, you can see it's a ½ inch. So the only other thing, I tried to do it with letters and making block letters like love, and I haven't quite figured out the E would work. I could get that to work, but the V, the L and the O are just straight like boxes, so it's pretty easy. So I thought I'd just do one with a box. So when I get it, I want that. I'm going to take my nudge distance to 0.001, and I'm going to grab my box and I'm going to nudge it over till it's pretty close to that node. You could actually zoom in more, and it's almost there. Let's call that good. And then what you need to do is you have your 2 equal sets. So what I need to do is erase this one and hit the plus key, change my nudge factor to 30 inches because this is quite large, and then take that copy and put it down there. Now with this one, I'm going to fill it in with black and take away the outline. I'm going to select, and also this is all grouped together. I'm going to take my lines and I'm going to go back minus front, and that took out the guts. Now what I need to do is mirror this one. So I'm just going to mirror it, but I need to move. I don't need to move my box. I need to move I'm going to change my nudge distance now to something little, 0.001. I don't want to grab my box. I want to grab the parts of the lines. And I've already got them selected, so I'm just going to nudge them over until I get it on that corner. And for the video, that's probably close enough. So now I can grab it all and intersect it. And that took that out. Now I'm going to change my nudge distance back to 30. I'm going to take my intersection and I'm going to nudge it up. And the line should match. That's pretty cool. It would give you an optical illusion. You know, if you really started looking at it, you can see the box, and the box really isn't there, but it's an optical illusion. Actually, these corners meet. Let me see if I can zoom in and go the opposite direction. Now, I'm going to try it with some other objects and try it with letters. I mean, I got the L and the O to work because they're perfect, and I've got them spaced out 2.5 inches apart. It's just not going to work with you could get the E to work, but the V at the slant, I'm not there yet. Anyway, hope that entertained you a little bit, and thank you for watching.